My husband loves teasing me. Whenever I sit down to journal in my art journal with all my art supplies, he sings Tare Zameen Par. I laugh at his attempt of teasing me and continue doing what I like to do. I also pity him for confusing the art of journaling with only a child's play. उसे लगता है सिर्फ बच्चे ये सब क्राफ्ट वर्क करते हैं. But journaling is more than that. It's meditation for me. In today's video, I won't tell you the wonderful benefits of journaling, but actually sit down with you and journal a page with the concept of junk journaling and collage art. If you want to know the magic behind journaling and why I have been doing it for the past 14 years, I request you to comment down the same and I'll make a video on the importance of journaling. So let's get started with the video. It all starts with a blank page. Converting a blank page into something creative is something so pleasing, just like these colorful pages, isn't it? To start with, I've taken this Blinkit packaging paper. It's a very old paper. I had preserved it as it has these cute Diwali doodlings. And ever since then, I've not got some leisure time to sit and journal. So the paper stayed in my junk section for a long time. Now I don't have any specific ideas of how I'll be executing this. All I know is I'll be cutting these doodles and sticking them on these blank pages in some order. Seriously, not knowing how it's going to turn out. Maybe it'll be a big disaster, or it might turn out well. You never know. So let's see. Okay, so after cutting the doodles, I realized they aren't going to fit in this one page. I'm considering the two pages as one. So I decided to use two pages. And then I bifurcated the cuttings into Diwali prep doodles and Diwali celebration doodles. That was a smart move, Shraddha. I patted myself there. Now, all this collage work might seem very childish to those who haven't tried this. आपको पता है, this cutting of paper is actually calming down my nervous system. It's reducing my stress levels. Because ये सब करने में I don't have to rush things. I'm not competing with anybody. I don't want a reward or appreciation from anybody. It's completely for my happiness and not for anybody to judge. कुछ समझ रहे हो? So, after doing all the cutting work, I decided to do some scribbling here and there. Later, I was reminded of the stickers which I had got for free with my 2025 planner. Adding them made my journal pages look a little more attractive. अभी मुझे नहीं पता आपको ये पेजेस कैसे लगे, but you know what? Who cares? मुझे थोड़ी ना अवार्ड जीतना है. Now this took me roughly 10 minutes of my time and the satisfaction it gave me was immense. Now you know why I've been doing it for 14 long years. Journaling is very calming. If you want to know how it has helped me deal with my mental health issues, then do comment down and I'll make a video for you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, take care, bye. And now I got to clean up this mess. Bye bye.